We'll guide you through how to edit Instagram Reels in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Start by creating a new project and setting the timeline resolution to a vertical format, which is typically 1080 by 1920 pixels. Import your video clips by dragging them into the media pool. Then, go to the edit page where you can arrange your clips on the timeline. To make precise edits, use the blade tool to cut your clips where needed. You can adjust the timing by dragging the ends of each clip to trim them. Add transitions between clips by right-clicking on the cut and selecting the transition option. If you want to add music, import an audio file and drag it onto the audio track. Use the inspector panel on the right to adjust audio levels to make sure your voice or music is clear. You can also add text by going to the effects library, selecting titles, and dragging your chosen title onto the timeline. Customize the text in the inspector panel where you can change the font, size, and color to match your style. Once you're happy with your edit, go to the Deliver page. Set the format to MP4, which is compatible with Instagram, and make sure the resolution is still set to 1080 by 1920 pixels. Click on Add to Render Queue, and then Start Render to export your video. Now your video is ready to be uploaded to Instagram as a reel. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.